Scag Turf Tiger 61 inches, blades won't spin up when I pull the button.blades clear, belt, pulleys are fine.a small whoosh sound, and nothing else.
Hello and thank you for using this service. It sounds like your PTO clutch may have gone out or broken. When you pull the button you send 12 volts to the electromagnetic PTO clutch that engages via the electromagnet. Now if it is bad or the clutch is broken, ntohing will engage, of course. You should check the PTO clutch and see what is happening, as it sounds like you need a new one. That is a very common issue. A lot of times the whooshing or hissing noise you hear is the clutch trying to engage, but it cannot. You can check the clutch with an ohmmeter. You should see about 3 ohms or so of resistance at the coil if you check it. I would just replace it. Here is a link to a site with Scag clutches. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.